This is the eager fever. Is Botman with his movements. This beautiful from Dovu. They're going to take the ball on. He's set it up, yeah! And a big, huge moment for Billy in a goal he'll never forget. First the Kaiser Chiefs. They were hoping for this sort of impact when they signed him. Comes up with an impact in the Jersey 20 rivalry. Defensively sound. And that's been their foundation throughout the campaign. Looking to maintain the 100% win record. For the most part, have been defensively sound here today. But when the moment comes up, isn't Lodu with a brilliant play in the middle of the park. Last season, it was about his physicality. This time, it's about his creativity here against Sundowns. Draws 2-3 players and really just had to be in that goal-scoring position. No problem in getting it beyond Williams. Chiefs deserving. The moment is just the creativity from Dovu.